हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक। तो आज के हम इस वीडियो में करने वाले हैं क्लास 9th एसएस का चैप्टर नंबर 1 राइज ऑफ ब्रिटिश रूल इन इंडिया पार्ट 2। पार्ट 1 में हम लोगों ने ऑब्जेक्टिव्स कर लिए थे। पार्ट 2 में हम लोग सेक्शन बी से स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन एज रिक्वायर्ड। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हेन एंड बिटवीन whom was the battle of बक्सर fought? What was its reason? आंसर है The Battle of Buxar was fought between the East India Company's army and the united armies of Mir Qasim, the deposed Nawab of Bengal, Siraj-ud-Dullah, the Nawab of Awadh, and the Mughal Emperor Shah Alam on 22nd October 1764. The company army defeated the united army. As a result, the company got the Diwani right from Bengal, Bihar, and Odisha. Question number 2, which were main provision of regulating act? Answer है the main provision of the regulating act were as follows. First number, the Governor General of Bengal was designated as the Governor General of India. Second, India, Warren Hastings was appointed as the first Governor General of India. Second point है the governors of Madras, Chennai and Mumbai and their council were placed under the control of Governor General. Third point, all the trade and political activities of the company were brought under the control of the Governor General. Question number 3, why did Dalhousie introduce policy of annexation? आंसर है डलहाउसी वॉज अ फायर्स इम्पेरियलिस्ट रूलर. सेकेंड पॉइंट है ही वॉन्टेड टू एक्सपांड द रूल ऑफ द कंपनी एंड मेक इट अ सुप्रीम पावर इन इंडिया. देयरफॉर डलहाउसी इम्प्लीमेंटेड द पॉलिसी ऑफ एनेक्सेशन. 4 नंबर, वेलेस्ले इम्प्लीमेंटेड द सब्सिडियरी एलियन सिस्टम. बाय. First point है the fame of the East India Company had declined as the Marathas had become stronger due to the policy of neutrality of Governor General Sir John Shore. Second point है the responsibility of making the company supreme in India had befallen on Governor General Wellesley. Third point है the order to fulfill this responsibility, Wellesley implemented the subsidiary alien system. अब आता है सेक्शन सी. सेक्शन सी का क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन एज रिक्वायर्ड. फर्स्ट नंबर, European felt the need to discover a new sea route to India. Explain. Answer है India had enjoyed an incomparable position in the world trade. There was demand for the Indian spices, muslin, silk, cloth and indigo in the European countries. Trade between India and Europe was carried out through land route and sea route. And at the center of these routes was Constantinople, Istanbul in Turkey. After the conquest of Constantinople by the Turks Muslim in 1453 AD, the sea route passing through Constantinople was closed to the Europeans. Since they could not do without the spices, the Europeans felt the need to discover a new sea route to India. Question number 2, give brief information about the Battle of Plassey. Answer है the Battle of Plassey took place between Siraj-ud-Dullah, the Nawab of Bengal, and the East India Company. The East India Company had built a fortress around the trade center in Kolkata on the pretext of security reason. Without taking permission from the Nawab, the fortress was destroyed by the Nawab. A small army led by Robert Clive reached Bengal to protect Kolkata trade center. The British realized that it was not easy to defeat the Nawab. Therefore, Robert Clive resorted to treachery and hatched a plan to defeat the Nawab. Nawab's commander-in-chief Mir Jafar and Seth Amichan were coaxed to work against the Nawab. As a result, Mir Jafar was made the Nawab of Bengal. The company got a freehold over 24 parganas. The foundation of the company rule in India was laid. Question number 3. Which were the main condition of Wellesley subsidiary alien system? Answer है first point. The army trained by the East India Company will be provided to the state that accept the system. Second point. In return, the state will provide for the army or give away provinces with equality imposed into the British. Third point. The state will not wage war or sign treaty with other states without the permission of the British. Fourth point. There will be an English representatives in the court assembly of the state. Fifth point. The state will not employ other foreigners in this service. Question number 4. What reforms did Dalhousie bring about? Answer है the following reforms were introduced by Governor General Dalhousie. First point. During his reign, the first railway line in India between Mumbai to Thane was laid in 1853 AD. Second number. Wireless system connecting India and England was set up. Third point. Public work department was set up. और लास्ट पॉइंट आपका आता है इंग्लिश एजुकेशन वॉज बैन्ड. फिफ्थ पॉइंट. लॉज वेर पास्ड टू बैन चाइल्ड मैरिज एंड परमिशन गिवन टू विडो रीमैरिज. थर्ड वी कैन कंक्लूड दैट डलहाउसी वॉज अ रिफॉर्मिस्ट गवर्नर जनरल. तो यहाँ पे आपका ये चैप्टर ओवर होता है और यहीं पे आपका पार्ट 2 भी फिनिश होता है. अगर आपको हमारी वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो इसे लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए.